In this episode of building the SpaceShipTwo-Ish, the rocket is mostly done, but we have to put epoxy fillets on all the joints to make sure it's strong. So watch the technique that I use for making that happen in this episode.
Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
Okay, we're going to put the fillets on all the joints, and I've mixed up some epoxy, and I'm going to transfer it to a bag so I can squeeze it out on the rocket. So to do this, I kind of like turn the bag almost inside out. So I have like a little cup. I don't know if this is enough epoxy. I can always add more later. As you can see, I'm wearing a smock because I don't trust myself. Okay, so now I want to get it all into one corner. Kind of like the cake decorator's trick. We're going to squeeze it out onto the rocket like it's a birthday cake. And squeeze it out like this. So let me get my glasses, get the rocket, have paper towels handy. Okay, so first we're gonna cut this tip. I don't want it, I want to squeeze out only a little bit at a time. So you can see that's very little, and I'll smooth it out. And anything excess, I'll try to get it back into the corner. That's a little bit too much right there. Okay, like that. Okay, so on this one right here, I got a big gap. So let's see if we can fill it. Yeah, filled it just nice. Not too bad, not too bad. Okay, I think I've got all the fillets on. Now I'm just going to go back with some rubbing alcohol and clean up any big globs. Try to flatten those out now because it's a lot easier to flatten them out now than it is to sand them. Okay, so I'm just going to finish cleaning up, and then we're going to set this aside to cure, and then we can start the process of finishing, which, as I said, could take as long as it did to build it.